All right, we have this early warning weather alert. It applies to tomorrow afternoon. Today we're in the clear. The only thing we're really talking about today are two things. One, we could see a heat wave inland if we see a temperature of near 90 degrees or higher. And the other thing is there has been some patchy fog over the shoreline. No worries really for showers and thunderstorms today, except maybe one stray one, but we haven't seen anything bubble up yet. Most of the activity that we expect shall come tomorrow. But as I said, once again, the fog has been sort of an issue along the shoreline. Our iCam over New London shows that it took quite a while for it to burn off, but you can see that it eventually did, but it's still kind of sitting right offshore. It's just so humid out there that you get that condensation very easily over those chilly waters. Here's our iCam over Waterbury. It's bright sunshine here, a little bit of haze in the sky, and we're seeing some fair weather clouds in Hartford. And that haze, just a summertime day. And you can see too, New Haven, just a gorgeous shot here, going hiking in the hills around New Haven. It's going to be a hot exercise. And maybe you're going to take a dip in the water here in Old Saybrook. It's looking pretty good. Just fair weather clouds so far this morning and into the new hour. But you could see a few of these isolated showers starting to pop up over eastern Pennsylvania. There's a little ribbon of moisture coming all the way up into upstate New York. And as that band sort of swivels in towards Connecticut, we can't rule out an isolated shower or thunderstorm, but I think most of that will remain to our west. The bigger story with showers and storms, as we've been mentioning, is the front that's up over the Great Lakes. And as that intercepts air that's a lot muggier than up there, and with that front kind of plowing into it, it's going to lift that warm and humid air up even more, and that rising motion creates showers and thunderstorms. And that's why the Storm Prediction Center has highlighted all of southern New England in screen color, which is just a marginal risk that one or two thunderstorms could have some gusty wind. So you know how it goes. Most of us would not have that, but the chance is there that maybe a few of us might. So we have to keep our eyes to the sky, not only for the lightning concern and the heavy downpours, but maybe even some strong straight line wind. So here's our Futurecast tomorrow's weather today. Going through this afternoon, notice how this model is still capturing the idea there might be some fog still right butting up against New London County even into the afternoon. But other than that, we'll have a partly cloudy sky. This is indicating through 9 o'clock tonight, our chance for showers and storms is really almost zero today. It's just going to be warm and humid. More patchy fog will happen in the morning tomorrow as we have that southerly flow coming in. And we'll have a blend of sun and clouds through the morning hours to noon tomorrow. As we get into the afternoon, that's when that front is approaching. A few showers and thunderstorms will be possible as early as 3 p.m. We're seeing them at 5. We're seeing them at 6. We're seeing them at 7. And even at 8 and 9 o'clock in the evening on Saturday. A couple of things. 1, the wind concern. 2, the lightning concern. And 3, these things may not be moving too fast, and they may have a lot of rain with them. And so from the early afternoon through midnight, also have to watch the idea that there could be some minor flooding in some of the urban areas, some of those gullies that just tend to get overwhelmed might, as it is raining with some of those downpours. In your early warning 7-day forecast, Saturday will also be a hot, humid day with temperatures in the upper 80s to near 90, despite there being showers and thunderstorms. Sunday, though, the humidity does come down. We'll have a partly sunny sky and highs in mid-80s. That should be nice. Monday, too, is looking really nice. So is Tuesday, and so is Wednesday.
All right, that summer-like heat sticking around for a while.
It is sticking around. Well, it is July, and it's going to act like it. And again, tomorrow, especially after 2 or 3 in the afternoon till about midnight, we need to be weather aware. Okay. Strong gusty wind in 1 or 2 of them, and then, of course, the heavy downpours as well.
All right, sounds good, Mike. Thank you.
You're welcome.